Hello guys, what's up yo, welcome back to my channel again. And today guys, I will show you this legendary American truck, the 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. As you can see guys, this is another big job here. This needs a big restoration job. As you can see here, this beast hit a deer and it crushed the bumper around here. As you can see here, I fixed that already. This was a little bit bent here and now it's fixed up already. I pulled that thing there and welded back. So as you can see here, it's very rusty. The fender is so rusty. It needs actually the fender. Both fenders are so rusty. And as you can see guys here, the suspensions are all brand new now because I replaced that already. Brand new shocks, brand new control arms. Everything in the front end is brand new. The only thing that needs to this truck is the restoration job body works. You can see here in the bottom, very rusty, rotten rocker panel, but you don't need to worry about it. I can fix that thing. When you get this truck, if you find one of this truck, 8.1 liter, this is a very reliable truck, very good truck. It can haul everything. It can haul a big camper. This is so powerful truck. So when you see one like this is hard to find nowadays because this is the 8.1 liter and it's very rare now. It's hard to find. If you want to look underneath, you have to make sure. If you want to grab one of these Chevrolet Silverado or GMC 2500, you have to make sure the frame is good, not rotten. So this one, I inspected it already. Everything there is very solid. Just the outer layer of the metal, it's a little rusty a bit, but I sandblasted there a little bit under the frame, under the box there. I sandblasted it already, so I clean it up, all the flaky rust there underneath. You don't need to get fussy in that thing. As long as the flaky rust, you can take it off, and as long as the metal's not rotten through, and it should be fine. So you're just gonna rust treat it at rust there. So everything here, it needs a bumper, and I have the lights already, and I have also the bumper, the used bumper. I'm gonna paint those bumper. And this one was leaking before, so I replaced that already. Also the AC condenser, that's brand new. This one, the transmission cooler is brand new, so everything is good. New transmission fluid I put in. So I have the headlights already. Just the fender needs to be replaced. Right here on the right hand side, everything there is brand new. Control arm, like the brake pads, I changed the brake line already. So right here, same thing. The right hand side, the rocker panel are rotten off, but as I mentioned earlier, we can fix that, and there's a replacement part of that. As long as the inner side can still weld something in there, and we're gonna buy this slip-on type rocker panel, the one that's cheaper. And this truck is gonna be good to go once I'm done restoring this. So I'll show you here the rear end. So you can see here, it's better than it was. I sandblasted it a little bit, and no need to be fancy because this still very solid. I show you here. I'm gonna grab my hammer here. So when you have like this project like this guys, you have to make sure, especially this old one, but these old ones are the legendary American truck. They're very solid, hard to kill. They're very good motor. This is the biggest motor ever of GM vehicles, 8.1 liters. So I'll show you guys here. That's what you're gonna do. That's the frame. It's very solid. So I did sandblasting on this. You can see here. See, a little bit cleaner. So I think that's good enough guys. I've done this before already, so we just need to treat in that some parts here. So see, like that flaky rust there, that's all you need to do. Just take that off and treat it after. So that's what you're gonna do. We're gonna rust treat it, and it's gonna be good. That's guys, I show you here. This is a new line stainless steel. So you can see that's very nice there. So you can see there, all the lines are brand new, spanking new. It will not gonna rust again because that's a stainless. Show you under here, everything here. You can see that line. So I put a stainless from the bottom there. I put a conjunction there. So you can see that conjunction right there. That's the conjunction. So the original doesn't have like that. Why I do this? Because if anything here, breaks down or leaks something. No, actually that one leaks. It's hard. Steel is leaks, but you need to. I learned something on this. This stainless lines. It's hard to tighten, but you have to tighten it hard, so it will crush there. It will seal the bubble flare lines there. So that's the difference of the steel and stainless or the copper nickel. I used the copper nickel before, and it's easy, but this stainless is very hard. So that guys there, it's all brand new there. That's going to the ABS here. So that's the ABS line there. So it's good, all stainless going back to the rear end. So as you can see, this is gonna be a nice truck after the fact. Once I'm done restoring this, I think this is the 8 trucks I restored, the 8 or 7. So you know, this is a big job, but slowly but surely we can make this happen. This is a very nice truck, very good truck, and lots of power. You can haul a camper this easily. See that? That's a beauty. Take a picture right there. And the interior of this guy is very nice. Look at that. This is a heavy duty, fancy interior with very comfy seats down here. You can see that. Beautiful. No stains, just dust there because I do some sanding outside and the dust came in. So it just needs to be cleaned up after. We're gonna clean that up once I'm done restoring this truck. So that's a beauty. Show you here guys the box. So this box I sandblasted a bit too, but still see we need to undercoat this thing, rust treated, and there's a hole here on the side. I need to patch that. That's gonna be easy job. Just needs to have a time for this. So we're gonna clean up here. I'm gonna do that muffler thing. I'll show you. I'm gonna run the truck how it runs and show you the muffler how it goes. See, I'm gonna run this thing, show you the 8.1 liter bulletproof. See, one click, run. So only 254,000 on this. See that? Oh, what's wrong with my camera here? Light crossing. That's my camera. Wow, it's amazing. Show you the engine. I show you the engine, guys. That's the heavy duty sound, guys. No vibration, no taking at all. I changed the whole engine oil in this thing. And what else I did? The brake lines, of course, that's new because I bleed it all when I changed the brake line. So here you guys can see the front side is the brand new AC condenser, brand new this one, and the radiator is not brand new. You can see no leaks there. It was leaking here before, that's why I changed this transmission cooler. Now it's not leaking, and you can see here everything is punking new, undercoated. So we need to change the fender in this. Everything is gonna be replaced. So guys, here I'll show you the muffler. It goes. That's the muffler, guys. Look at that big hole. See? That's big. We need to replace that. So I have a brand new one. I think it was a Flowmaster. Yeah, I think right here. And the box inside the cab. So that's a Flowmaster. We're gonna replace that for the supposed to be the Flowmaster for the 2500 HD. It's gonna be a nice beast sound after. See that, guys? Holy smokes! Big holder. See that? Wow! So we're gonna cut this one here. Gonna cut that area. Cut there 2 pipes there. So I order. I think the inner side there. 2 pipes too. 2 pipes. So I order same kind of you know, kind of muffler, but it's a high-end one. So a little bit expensive, but it's gonna work after. Once I'm gonna replace that thing, it's gonna be sound really good. Sounds like a beast. And we're gonna make this truck nice, and it's gonna be a show truck after. 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HT. It's gonna be a nice truck, guys. There we go. So it's gonna do the muffler and doing some clean up here, and I'm gonna find some anti-rust. I might use the there's so many kinds of what's this, anti-rust protection. What do you call this? Before you put the anti-rust, you can treat this one with a rust converter. So that's actually the name of it, rust converter. So it makes the rust convert to paintable materials, and it won't rust again. It won't gonna make your make the steel, the metal inside more rusty, especially in this area in Alberta. Lots of salt here and water so during the winter time. So we're gonna treat this truck. It's a pretty nice truck, heavy duty. Look at that big differential, very big, the biggest drive shaft you can see in this generation of trucks, like the biggest one. All right, guys, that's it for today, and stay tuned for next video. I'll show you how I'm gonna build this muffler. I'm gonna change the muffler soon, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and again, please do subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that much, and see you next video. Bye bye.